Happy New Year! Hope you guys are well this January of 2019. Okay, so for Christmas I got two new Juvia's Place palettes and I had to play with them because they are so beautiful and I was feeling something more mustard-y. I have a little secret thing for the color mustard. So I wanted to do an eye look that kind of looked mustardy or mustard. Yeah. And yeah, these palettes have the colors I needed, like this oro right here, which is actually is gold in Spanish, which is a matte mustard tone yellow. And we got other colors here, like this one right here. It's the perfect blend for that, with this one that's like a black brown, I think. Yeah, it's like a really cool tone, blackish brown, and this guy, of course, like I said. Anyhow, if you want to see how I went about creating this really simple, but also like dramatic, you know, kind of like, ooh, color. Look, keep watching. Okay, we're going to start with my usual concealer. And I took the top off because you can actually save your product or make it last longer without the sponge. I like the sponge because I like to just apply it like that, but you can always just apply it using your finger and it'll last longer. Okay, we're going to start with the Festival palette and we're going into Oro with a large angled brush and we're going to apply it all over the eyelid. So yes, guys, I forgot to record the part that shows you all the products beforehand. That's usually the last thing I record, and I had something to do, so I had to rush out of the house, and I forgot. So just blend it out, apply it all over the eyelid. Now we're going into the Warrior palette, or Warrior 2 palette, I think it is. Yes, and we're using Yodit with a small crease brush, or you can use a small pencil brush. So anything that will allow you to apply it right in the crease, starting at the outer corner and working your way inward. Just keep blending and applying, blending in back and forth in circular motions. Now we're taking a large blending brush and we're going to blend out the crease color. Okay, now with a different pencil brush, we're going into Walzana, which is a dark blackish brown color. It is a cool toned blackish brown. And we're applying it on the outer corner and working it inward, but keeping it on the outer corner. Back with the blending brush, we're going to blend Walzana, or Walzana. I don't know what how to pronounce it exactly. Back into Yodit with a small crease brush. We're applying it underneath the eye. And then with a straight smudging brush, this is a smudge brush, it's a square shaped one from I think BH Cosmetics, and we apply it under the eye. Now we're going to go with a pencil liner. This one's from Wet n Wild, and we're gonna tight line. Tight lining is lining the inner part of your eye, but the top part. So like the waterline, but on top. And the outer corner and underneath the eye as well. And this is the outer corner, not the inner. Just to create a slight wing. Now we're taking the smudge brush again, and we're gonna smudge the eyeliner just a little bit. Taking our mascara, applying several healthy coats of mascara because the eyeliner is not very thick, so we want the eyelashes to stand out. And we're applying it on the bottom lashes as well. I went with a very neutral tone lip color, and I'm going to show you which one I used. It's from Maybelline Nude Embrace. And there you go, the look is done. Okay, so that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed that and that you do like it. To check out Juvia's Place. I love their palettes. I have like a bunch of them. I've switched over to them because they're not expensive. They're not like crazy expensive, and they always have sales, and they're very pigmented, and they have some really unique, beautiful colors. And if you see that pan size is pretty big, it's really huge. And yeah, I love their packaging too. They're really creative and colorful. So these have become like my favorites. Yeah. Don't forget to give my video the thumbs up, and as always, rock on. So guys, you won't believe what happened. I dyed this thing red, and now it's all faded because I had to wash it because I had an allergic reaction to splat. Yeah, and I'm still suffering from it. I've been having a really hard time. Like, my ear, I don't know if you can tell, but it's really red and I'm really itchy. And it's actually exacerbated, yeah, that's the word, my eczema, because I get eczema, especially during the winter. I get very dry and itchy. And during the summer, I get itchy. I'm always itchy. And it drives me nuts. But like, my eyelids are really dry, and I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to do the makeup because they are dry and they itch, and I just want to like scratch and bloody, you know. And right here as well, I'm very dry, and the rash has gone away because I managed to wash off as much as I could of the splat dye, and I'm gonna have to put a different dye over this to get rid of it completely. But yeah, and then I reacted also to a Head and Shoulders conditioner. That made it even worse. So I scratched right here, and I made like little raspberries, I guess you call them, yeah, or like red, you know, splotches on me from scratching, because it is the worst thing to be itchy and to not have relief. So yeah, I don't know how long this is gonna last and if I'm gonna be able to do more makeup because my eyes are really irritated and all that. So this is how I've started the year. I don't know if all of you, I know many of you, or whoever has seen my last video has seen that we have a new puppy. He is the best thing. Oh my gosh, I love him so much. I feel like my heart is full. I have my beautiful black kitty that I adore. He's soft and gentle. And then I have my puppy who is playful, and he is so smart, and I'm just having a lot of fun training him. I've taught him how to sit, how to stay, how to give the paw. And he loves to play. He loves to bite too, which is typical of a husky puppy or any puppy. But my hand is like all marked up from him, like, just, he goes at it, you know, and then you're like, no, you have to tell them no, like, to not bite, and then give them a toy to teach them, like, constantly teach them to not bite you. But he always wants to bite. I love him so much. He is 9 weeks old. And if you don't know, his name is Winter because he is a white Siberian Husky with blue eyes, and he looks like winter, which is one of my favorite seasons. Aside from fall, I love fall and winter are my most favorite. I love that it finally got cold outside. It's wonderful. So me and Winter are like totally loving it. Anyhow, guys, yeah, that is it. And another update is I'm not sure how often I'm going to be able to record now because we've added another thing for me to take care of and do. So that means more stuff. But I'll try to keep bringing you more tutorials, more Amy Lee tutorials, as often as I can, like, to manage it without getting all stressed out about timing and schedules and life and house chores and church and puppies and kitties and kids and husbands, you know. So yeah, so bear with me, guys. I know some of you have mentioned and that you love my channel and you love my videos and you don't want me to like stop, and I don't want to stop, but at the same time I don't want to overwhelm myself because I do have a lot on my plate. But I want to make sure that you guys know that I'm still going to be bringing you more videos. Maybe not as often as before, but as often as I know I can, you know? I have to be able to balance it out. And as time goes on, it seems like I have less energy and more to do. Which is fine. It's fine. I love it. I'm happy. Life is good, you know? It's just what it is. Life is always not always in your control. You know, you always have to do just things to live, like eat. Anyhow, yeah, that's what I have for you guys today. I hope you like this because I love it. I love this color. I don't know why. I'm so weird. I go through these like colors. One year I had this thing for like teal. I was obsessed with teal, and then teal and red together. I'll always be obsessed with red because that's just my color. But yeah, I go through phases of different colors that I just really am into at that time. So for now, I think it's this color, the mustardy yellow. Yeah. Anyway, have a good day, night, morning, whatever, whenever time you're watching this. Bye.